Okay, continuing with the proportional reasoning packet, TEK 7.4D. It says the pictograph, I haven't seen a pictograph in a while, below shows the number of packages of different brands of batteries that were sold on Friday. Each of these is 250 packages, and we have 4 brands. Which statement is best supported by the information in the pictograph? Okay, the ratio of P, excuse me, to Q is 1 to 2. Well, let's look. P has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5. And then my ratio to Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 to 5. So no, that's 1 to 1 ratio. So that's not right. The ratio of R batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the total number of batteries, total is 20. That's simplified as 1 to 5, which is different than the 5 to 1. So that needs to be flip-flopped. That's not right. Of all the packages of batteries sold, 20% were brand R. Let's move down here. Brand R, we said, had 4 out of 20. Thinking about making a percent, right? So that's out of 100. So 20 times 5 makes 100. 4 times 5 makes, oh good, so that is 20%. So I'm going to say this one's right. Let's look at D. Of all the packages of batteries, 3% were S. Okay, that's just silly because look at how many packages were sold. In fact, there are more packages by brand S than there are anything else. So that's silly. That's letter C. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the back one too. Elisa surveyed people in her neighborhood about whether they would like to have a swimming pool in their community park. Of those who responded, 65% were in favor of having a swimming pool based on the results, which could be true. Okay. 65% yes. That's what that says. 65% is yes. They were in favor. Okay. Elisa surveyed 10 people, and 6 were in favor of a swimming pool. So is 6 out of 10 the same as 65%? The answer is no, because I know that if I'm changing that into 100, that's times 10. It's actually, that is 60%. So 60% isn't right. Elisa surveyed 20 people. 13 of them are in favor. Okay, let's move down here. 13 out of 20. Again, percents are always out of 100, so if I can easily make my denominator a 100, I want to do that, which is times 5. 13 times 5. Let's work it out. It's 15 and 6. Ooh, yeah, 65%. Okay, I'm thinking this is the right answer here, but let's look. She surveyed 65 people, and 10 of them were in favor. Oh, man. Okay, let's think. I can simplify. Let's see. Simplify. We'll do by 5, I guess. 5 goes into 10 twice. 5 goes into 65. I think 13 times. Yeah, that's what we said. Oh, man, that's not easy. Okay, then 2 divided by 13. 13 into 2 is 0. Bring your decimal. 13 into 20 is 1. So I already know it's not going to be equal to 65% because if that were to happen, this would have had to have been a 6. So that's not right. Plus, what am I thinking? 65% has to be more than half, and 10 is clearly not even close to half of 65. Oh, okay, use my brain, Natalie. Elisa surveyed 13 people, and 5 were in favor of having a swimming pool. Okay, let's see. That's closer because 5 out of 13 is close, but if I doubled that, that'd be 10. Okay, proof here. 0 times 13 into 50. 3, 1, 2, 3. 4 times 12. No, not even. 3 times. That's closer to 30%, so that's not correct. Letter B is right. Okay, Quentin, maybe that's what that says, Quinlan maybe, pays $178 every 4 months for his guitar lessons. At the same rate, how much will Quinlan pay for 3 years of guitar lessons? Okay, so 178 for 4 months. Let's do what it costs for 1 month then, because then we have to convert to years. So 178 divided by 4. This is again finding the cost for 1 month. That's 0. 4 into that's 4. That's 16. Subtract 18. 4 into 18. 4 5 times is too many, so 4 times 16. Add a decimal and a 0. 4 into 20. Okay, so it's $44.50 for 1 month. Now, how many months are in 3 years? Well, there's 12 months per year, so 12, 24, 36, right? That's me doing 12 times 3. So for 36 months, I can get rid of that 0, but most of you probably wouldn't have, so I'll just keep it. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24. That's 27. 6 times 4 is 24, and that's 26. Add another 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. And 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. 12, 10, 6, and 1. Now for my decimal placement, remember you count the number of decimals that are after, or decimal places that are after your decimal. That's 2 there. There's 0 there, so there needs to be 2 here. $1,602 for 3 years.